Have you ever wondered if it's possible to maintain a healthy vegan diet throughout pregnancy? Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of vegan pregnancy. Today, we dive deeper into this topic, shedding light on the crucial aspects of a vegan lifestyle during pregnancy. Our journey starts with the expert opinions from renowned nutritionists and doctors who specialize in vegan diets. They will provide us with valuable insights into the nutritional needs of an expecting mother, especially those committed to a vegan lifestyle. First up, we have Dr. Sandra Bloom, a leading dietitian with over 20 years of experience in plant-based nutrition. She asserts, contrary to popular belief, it's entirely possible to have a healthy vegan pregnancy. The key is to ensure an adequate intake of essential nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, vitamin D, and especially vitamin B12, which is crucial for the baby's neural development. Next, we hear from Dr. Alex Gray, a renowned obstetrician known for his research on vegan diets during pregnancy. He emphasizes, while a vegan diet can be perfectly healthy during pregnancy, it requires careful planning and sometimes supplementation to meet the increased nutritional needs during this period. Our journey continues with insights from nutritionist Rebecca Green. She specializes in creating balanced vegan meal plans for expecting mothers. Rebecca shares, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for both mother and baby. It's all about variety and balance. As we venture further into this topic, we discuss several meal ideas suitable for a vegan pregnancy. We explore delicious recipes, ranging from protein-packed breakfast options to nutrient-dense dinner ideas. These meals are not only tasty, but also rich in essential nutrients that support a healthy pregnancy. We also touch upon the role of prenatal vitamins in a vegan pregnancy. As Dr. Bloom explains, even the best planned diets can fall short on certain nutrients. In such cases, prenatal vitamins can act as a safety net, ensuring that both mother and baby get all the essential nutrients. In summary, a vegan pregnancy is indeed possible and can be healthy with careful planning and attention to nutritional needs. The key points to remember are: ensure a varied and balanced diet to cover all essential nutrients. Pay special attention to nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Consider prenatal vitamins as a safety net to ensure adequate nutrition. Explore a variety of vegan meal options to keep your diet exciting and nutritious. As we conclude this enlightening journey, remember that every pregnancy is unique. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet during pregnancy. Thank you for joining us on this voyage into the world of vegan pregnancy. We hope you found it informative and enlightening. Stay tuned for more such insightful discussions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.